Hi there, students. Calisthenics. Calisthenics. I think this is an uncountable noun. You can use it with a singular verb and with a plural verb. Calisthenics is, calisthenics are. Notice as well, in British English 1 L, in American English 2 L's is probably more common. Okay, calisthenics is just a posh way to say a workout. Yeah, calisthenics, a set of physical exercises to keep you in shape, to get fit. Yeah, notice normally calisthenics you don't use any type of equipment. So calisthenics, sit-ups, push-ups, squat thrusts, star thrusts, things like that. Yeah, but not actually using any equipment. I think when you go to the gym and you use the treadmill or the bicycle or the weights, this is not calisthenics. Yeah, this is just a workout. But calisthenics, you doing different physical exercise. I think yoga could be qualified as calisthenics, although I think it's much more complicated and much deeper than that. Okay, so calisthenics. Let's see. He does. The calisthenics that he does every morning are very rigorous. So calisthenics, a set of exercises. Yeah, in the plural. Whereas calisthenic in the singular, the practice of this. So calisthenics is very good for you. So calisthenics singular, the art, the practice of doing it. Yeah, the calisthenics is good for you. But the calisthenic exercises that he does, or the calisthenics, or calisthenics are very good for your body. Yeah. He showed me how to do various calisthenics, yeah, like sit-ups and trunk twists and stuff like that. Okay, so do you do calisthenics? Yeah, light exercises to develop muscle tone. Okay, so calisthenics, it's quite a good word to use. Rhythmic bodily exercise. I guess yoga has some very challenging calisthenics moves. Yeah, there are lots of benefits from calisthenics and workouts and things like that. Okay, so I know some companies make their people do calisthenics every morning before they start work, or calisthenics at school. Okay, formality. Let's see, to work out, to keep fit, exercises. It's just a posh formal word to say the same thing. I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it informally. You could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing or formal writing sounds great. And then as to origin, well, this one comes from ancient Greek, from kalos, meaning beautiful, and strethnos, meaning strength. So beautiful strength, calisthenics, beautiful strength. It's a good word. So you get beautiful using strength, yeah, or improving your strength. Calisthenics, so a form of strength training, various movements using the large muscle groups, standing, jumping, pushing, grasping, pulling, things like that. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Calisthenics.